here with this brand new 2019 Ram 1500 Classic Bighorn. So this keeps the previous look of the last Ram that came out instead of the updated 2019 Ram look. So if you prefer that classic look, then this would be a great truck for you. Its top options include a HEMI engine, a tow package, heated seats, and an amazing media center. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this gorgeous blue color, perfect for, rooting on the Royals here in Kansas City. And you have your chromed out grille in the front, Dodge badge there in the middle, and then your halogen headlamps, fog lamps on the side or below that, and your front sensing system to alert you to any objects in front of your vehicle. And let's take a look underneath the hood. This has a 5.7 liter V8 HEMI engine, so you have that power underneath the hood. And then looking down at your wheels, these are massive 20-inch chrome clad 5-spoke wheels. Then over to your side, you have your HEMI badging, Ram 1500, and that new classic badging that goes along with this vehicle. Then looking up at your mirrors, you have those indicator lights on the sides. They are powered and heated. Okay, so looking at the front seats, you have these gray cloth seats with that cool pattern down the middle there. They are heated, so super comfortable. Your driver's side is power adjustable as well. And then looking at your leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, you have your closer controls, Bluetooth streaming, cruise controls on the front with your media controls on the back there. Then you have your 8.4-inch touchscreen brought to you by Uconnect. Your radio stuff is on these pages, and you can subscribe to Sirius XM Radio. You get a year free, though, because this is a brand new vehicle. Then you have your media options here, so if you want to connect your phone, listen to your own music, you can. Your climate controls here are dual, so you can have different settings on each side of the front seat, and all of your Uconnect apps can be found on these pages. Then you have your controls for your heated seats and steering wheel, plus your backup camera. So that gives you a nice clear picture of what is behind your truck and help you line up a trailer, all of that good stuff. Then you have your phone settings here, so you can pair your phone with Bluetooth, make phone calls, text messages, which is just a lot safer to look here instead of down at your phone. Then you have your settings, so you can customize everything exactly how you like it. Then your buttons for all of your media center below that. So if you'd rather, use your buttons for your climate controls instead of using the media center, you can. And then below that you have your sensing systems, and then your heated buttons, tow haul mode, and your traction control. 4-wheel drive buttons on that side and a 115 volt on the other. Then in your center console you have your center area, you have 2 cup holders here, 12 volt down below, lots of room for your stuff, and then more space inside of your center console, 2 USB ports and an aux port in the top layer, and tons more room below that. So looking up, you have your SOS Assist, which is subscribable, your garage door openers, and then your power sliding rear window to let a nice breeze flow throughout your truck. And let's look at the back seat. Okay, so looking in the back seat, you have room for 3 passengers, lots of leg room, and you can fold this down for 2 cup holders, and there are 2 more on the floor there. So if you have a third person sitting in the middle, you can still use cup holders. That 12 volt is there for your charging, and then you have your split bench seating, so you can fold up either side. Fold these out. You can have storage underneath, have them make a flat surface, so tons of room, and then you have your 2 storage compartments that are in the floor as well. So you can take those out, clean them off, slide them right back in. Super convenient. Make your way around the side. This is a short bed. You have your LED tail lamps back here, your 4x4 and your Bighorn badging in chrome, and your rear sensing system, plus your tow packages back there with your hookups there. And then looking into your bed, that's just gorgeous back here, and you have 4 tie-down hooks on the sides. So if you really loved that classic look on your Ram trucks, you're kind of hesitant to move towards the newer updated look of the 2019s, they're still making these. So if you want to see this Ram 1500 or any of our other Rams, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit.
It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates WOODYS from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.